I got some few carefully chosen pieces that have completely transformed my summer-fall routine. Today I'm going to share my current favorite sustainable shoes. Hi lovelies, I'm Faye and welcome back to my channel where I share everything fashion, beauty and handbags. I want to share something exciting. Today I'm partnering with VIVAIA, a sustainable shoe brand I've been obsessed with. They are all about comfort, conscious materials and timeless design, and all their shoes are made from recycled plastic bottles and they feel amazing on your feet. And now for the exciting part, VIVAIA sent me all of these. These are actually a sneak peek of their fall boots and I can't wait to show you. So let's unbox them together. So let's start with this biggest package. Oops. So these are the Ryan slip-on boots, and the reason why it's called slip-on is because they are so easy to put on and off. I love how contemporary they look. I really love the touch with that they are flat on the top. Also the dark brown color makes them easily match with whichever fall outfit. And I think they will be perfect for fall and winter. And what I love about these, they are all water repellent. Also they are cushioned insoled with this arc support, as you can see here, and this really makes the feeling of a sneaker actually when you wear them, because these insoles will literally massage your feet while you're walking. Let's see about the other bag. Oh, these are so soft. I got this matching leg warmers with the shoes. Ooh, I really love the leg warmers. I mean, it gives this sleek look. So they will be lovely to style together with short skirts. I will insert some footages. Let's see what's in this bag. It's the removable cuffs for the shoes. Let's try them on. What is the top then? Okay. The top, it's supposed to be worn like this with the buckle down. I think this looks a little bit avant-garde. It's like a more relaxed fit than the previous one with the leg warmer. This looks so chic. It reminds me of by another luxury brand. One pair of boots with 3 different styles. I think you can't go wrong with any of them. But next pair I wanted to show is actually these Cara sandals that I got a few weeks ago actually, but I have been using these non-stop because they are so comfy, and when I walk with them it feels like I'm almost jumping. They are so bouncy, these shoes, and also ultra lightweight, and I think they are bouncy because they got these dual arch support, which gives a lot of comfort. They have this stretchy and comfy strap, or they are not that stretchy, but they are at least enough stretchy that I don't need to unbuckle it every time I want to come in and out of the shoes. Also they dry really quickly. Whenever I've been for a swim in the lake, I have been having these because they get dry almost immediately. And now let's open the final box. These are actually one of my absolute favorite pair, and I already got one, to be honest, and these are my second pair. It's this Christina Sneakerinas, and these are honestly my most comfy Sneakerinas. You almost got that marshmallow feeling when you walk on them, and they are so soft with the satin. I love the white ones that I got so much that I also decided to get them in this silver color just to match my silver Chanel 22 bag. Let me show you. Let me get that back for you. Do you see what I mean? Oh, can't wait to wear these together. And for the record, this bag has been so useful during the summer. I will come back with a review of this bag soon. And for you who doesn't know, these sneakerinas has been spotted on Bella Hadid several times. And I know that these are so good alternative to the luxury sneakerinas that actually Louis Vuitton and Prada has been releasing. And I haven't tried those in the store, but I can't think of any other sneakerinas that are more comfy than this one. I would normally not buy shoes that are light like this in this material if it wasn't machine washable, and these are I mean, I would love you to try them because they are so amazing to wear. And yeah, not exaggerating at all, these has just been the top products I have been reaching out for in the past months, and I hope that it gave you some inspiration. Please hit the thumbs up if you like this content and want to see a part 2 where I will go through my favorite jewelries. Thanks again to VIVAIA for sponsoring today's video. I will link everything down below so you can check out their amazing sustainable shoe collection. And don't forget to add my discount code where I display here. Thank you for your precious time, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!